You guys breathe that stuff and you pay with your own health. Stay with us, we'll explain how you can avoid that. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick and helpful video 20. We're having a Maserati Levante. It may work on Ghibli and Quattroporte as well. If you want to see guys how to replace cabin air filter, where it's located, all that will be covered in this video today. That's an item that most people never replace, and you're supposed to replace it every year or every 12,000 miles on most cars. If you want to have good quality of air in the cabin, most people completely ignore it, okay, when actually you're paying with your own health. So stay with us and we'll explain how to do it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engines, computers, electrical components, fuses, relays. Why we guys do that? To save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making and providing these videos for free. And check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, what we need to do right here, we need to go ahead and open the hood. You release the handle inside, okay, then that yellow handle goes like that, lift it up. Where is the cabin air filter located? Let's explain that now. If we come right here guys, towards the passenger side, do you see that cover next to the windshield? That's your windshield wiper. Next to it, that's the cover. This tab needs to be pushed back, this one at the same time, both of them. So once you push them, okay, you lift up, then you slide that cover out. Once you do that guys, I want to show you what we have here specifically, okay, and where, okay, that filter is located now. So you will not be able to see it. It looks like this one, you see, okay, nothing's visible, right? But your filter, okay, will be actually right here inside, and let's explain how to get to it now. So this cap right here, you grab, you pull from the front up, back, like that, opens. When you open it, oh my goodness, this one looks bad so far. Now we're going to get it out. That's completely guys, okay, completely neglected Maserati. You're breathing that stuff guys, you're breathing that stuff with your own health. You see, that's right there inside. Let's go ahead, we want to shake it. We want to show you guys how much stuff will come out of that thing now. You will be surprised. So if we come right here now, okay, check it out, all that stuff, it's still stuck there. Okay, this is terrible guys. Okay, it feels even greasy because of the exhaust gases when you drive behind other vehicles, semi-trucks, things like that. Okay, actually will cause it guys to smell bad as well. On the other side it's clean because that's the inner side, but the front side it's terrible. So all we have to do now, install the new filter guys. So what we have to do now, inspect everything inside, make sure you don't have any leaves, debris, anything like that. If you do, you need to vacuum all that stuff. It goes in the canal, okay, follow the direction of airflow and push it in. Go ahead, close the cap, okay. So it locks on two places, one on this side, one on this side. So listen for that click now. Next, we need to install that cover. It goes like this and you close it in place. Practically, we're done replacing the cabin air filter guys on that Maserati Levante. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.